Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Checklists plugin from a light version to a pro version. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is to go into your license manager and download the very latest Checklists plugin pro version. The license manager link has been sent automatically during the ordering procedure in the beginning. However, if you have accidentally deleted this email, then please don't worry. You have to go to our site and scroll down into the license manager section and just request it manually. If you have still some problems, you have to contact our support team at support@redmineup.com and our support engineers will send you the license manager link. You could also create a ticket to our support here. Okay. So we see that we have already downloaded our Checklists Pro version. So the very first step that we have to do is to go to our core Redmine folder, which in our situation is Redmine 5.0, and go into the plugins folder. Here you have to search for the light version of the plugin. This is this one, Redmine Checklists. So we delete it. Move to trash. So this is a very important step. When we delete it, we have to then go to our downloads folder and then extract the pro version. We have to go to inner folder and copy it. Then go back into the plugins of our Redmine. So we just paste it here. Now the next step that we have to do is to open your command line. Okay, I will zoom it for you a little bit so it will be better for seeing. And then change the directory to our core Redmine folder. Okay, please make a note that the steps now are the same as the normal installation. So the difference between upgrade and installation is that in the upgrade you have to delete the light version and replace it with the pro version. So we move forward now. We execute bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for your Checklists plugin. The next step is to do the migration. Here the very important thing is that you have to replace the name with the plugin you are trying to install. In our case, it is the Redmine Checklists. Please just see that these are warnings for developers. They are not going to harm the work of the plugin, so it will work normally. Okay, so the very last thing that we have to do is to just restart our Redmine with touch temporary restored point.txt. Okay, we are done, but let's go to our Redmine and double check and make sure that everything is fine. We refresh our page and wait a couple of seconds because Redmine needs some time for restarting. Okay, so we see that the Pro version is now available. So we have done our job successfully. We have upgraded Checklists plugin Lite to a Checklist Pro version. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.